Can $500 really start paying you weekly passive income? In this video, I show exactly how I'd invest $500 today to build a portfolio that pays like a paycheck every week. Can $500 really pay you every single week? Yes, if you know where to invest it. Today, I'll break down how I'd invest $500 to create weekly passive income. And stick around until the end because I'll show you how to start investing today and get a free stock on Robinhood just for signing up. Most people underestimate $500, but the power comes from compounding. Weekly payouts, reinvested, can snowball into serious cash flow over time. First up, let's talk about WiMAX, an ETF that's been making waves among income-focused investors. If you're looking for a way to generate consistent cash flow from your portfolio, WiMAX is definitely worth a closer look. This fund is designed to provide frequent, reliable payouts, making it a popular choice for those who want to see regular returns on their investment rather than waiting months or even a full year for dividends. What really sets WiMAX apart is its weekly payout schedule. That's right. Unlike most funds that pay dividends quarterly or even just once a year, WiMAX distributes its earnings to investors every single week. This means you're not just watching your investment grow on paper. You're actually receiving cash in your account on a regular basis. And the numbers are impressive. WiMAX currently offers an annualized yield of around 67%. That's a figure that stands out in today's market, especially when you compare it to the yields of more traditional dividend-paying stocks or funds. Let's break that down with a simple example. Suppose you decide to invest $500 into WiMAX. With the current yield, you could expect to collect about $335 per year in payouts, but here's the best part. Instead of waiting for a lump sum at the end of the year, you'll see those earnings land in your account every single week. That's roughly $6.45 deposited into your account each week, providing a steady stream of income that you can use, reinvest, or simply enjoy. This kind of regular cash flow can be a game changer, especially for those who rely on their investments to help cover everyday expenses or who want to take advantage of compounding by reinvesting their payouts as soon as they receive them. Plus, seeing those weekly notifications can be a real motivator, reminding you that your money is working for you all the time. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build wealth over time, or just enjoy the peace of mind that comes with frequent payouts, WiMAX offers a unique solution in the world of ETFs. WiMAX generates income from options, so payouts can fluctuate and may include return of capital. Still, it's a strong candidate for weekly cash flow. Next is ALTI. This ETF stands out in the market for its aggressive approach to generating income. It's designed for investors who are looking for high returns and are willing to take on more risk to achieve them. This ETF is aggressive, paying about 117% annually. This means that for every dollar you invest, you can expect to receive a significant return over the course of a year. The high yield is a result of the ETF strategy, which involves investing in high-risk, high-reward assets. With $500 invested, that's roughly $585 in yearly payouts. A substantial return on a relatively small investment. This kind of return can be particularly appealing for those looking to grow their wealth quickly. However, it's important to remember that with high returns come high risks. The value of your investment can fluctuate significantly, and there's always the potential for loss. Weekly cash hitting your account. This consistent income stream can be a great way to supplement your regular earnings, providing you with extra cash flow that can be used for various purposes, such as reinvesting, paying bills, or saving for future goals. It's a powerful tool for those who are comfortable with the associated risks and are looking to maximize their investment returns. Always consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before investing in aggressive ETFs like ALTI. High yield comes with high risk. ALTI's distributions depend on market premiums and can change fast. If you're chasing max weekly income, ALTI delivers, but it's not for the faint of heart. Third on our list is QQUY, an ETF that's been making waves among income-focused investors. If you're searching for a way to generate consistent cash flow from your portfolio, QQQY is definitely worth a closer look. This fund stands out for its unique approach to delivering high-yield, tech-linked income, and it's quickly gaining popularity for those who want to tap into the power of the stock market's biggest names while also enjoying regular payouts. QQQI is directly tied to the Nasdaq 100, which means it's linked to some of the most influential and innovative companies in the world. The Nasdaq 100 is home to tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google's parent company Alphabet, as well as other leaders in biotechnology, e-commerce, and digital services. By tracking this index, QQQY gives investors exposure to the growth and stability of these powerhouse companies, all while focusing on generating income. What really sets QQQY apart is its eye-catching yield. Right now, it's offering an annual yield of around 52%. That's an extraordinary figure, especially when you compare it to traditional dividend stocks or even most other income-focused ETFs. This high yield is achieved through a sophisticated options strategy, where the fund sells covered calls on the Nasdaq 100 stocks it holds. This approach allows QQQY to collect option premiums, which are then distributed to shareholders as income. Of course, it's important to remember that such high yields come with their own set of risks, including the potential for reduced capital appreciation and the possibility of lower payouts if market conditions change. Still, for those who understand the strategy and are comfortable with the trade-offs, QQQY's yield is hard to ignore. To put this into perspective, let's say you invest $500 into QQQY. With the current yield, you could expect to receive roughly $260 in income over the course of a year. That's more than half your initial investment coming back to you as cash, which can be a game changer for anyone looking to supplement their income, cover monthly expenses, or simply reinvest for even greater growth. This level of return is especially attractive in today's environment, where traditional savings accounts and bonds offer much lower yields. One of the most appealing features of QQQY is its weekly payout schedule. Instead of waiting months for dividends, investors receive deposits every single week, providing a steady stream of income that's tied directly to the performance of the world's leading tech companies. Imagine seeing your account credited with fresh income each week, all while staying invested in the companies shaping the future of technology. For those who value both growth potential and regular cash flow, QQQY offers a compelling blend of both worlds. As always, it's important to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance, but for many, QQQY represents an innovative way to earn tech-linked weekly income. These payouts aren't guaranteed. Weekly ETFs rely on options strategies. That means yields can go up or down quickly. Always invest responsibly. The key is reinvestment. Each weekly payout buys more shares. More shares mean bigger payouts next week. That's how $500 today can snowball into $1,000 or more tomorrow. So, here's the breakdown. $500 in YMAX could return about $335 per year, LTY about $585, and QQQY about $260, all paid weekly. If you're ready to start, I recommend Robinhood. Sign up with my link and we'll both pick our own gift stock for free. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Which ETF would you put your $500 in first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly dividend strategies and passive income hacks.